Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick back, and I'm so excited today because I got our package. And I say our package because this is the package of yarn that you all picked the colors for me. So I'm going to show you it real close. Look what it says on there. Isn't that so cute? Handle with care. This package contains joy. I think that's pretty funny because I have a sister named Joy. I don't think she's in here. Bad joke. Bad joke. Actually, one of the people who chose one of the colors name is Joy as well. I hope she's not in here. That'd be very, very awkward. All right, got my scissors. Gonna open this up. Before I go any further though, this is StyleCraft Special DK, which I have never used before, never seen it before other than on videos. So I'm going to open it up. I've heard an awful lot about this yarn and I'm just so excited to try it. But one thing I've learned in the past is that when you're opening yarn packages, you do it very carefully so you don't cut your yarn. Okay. Drum roll. I need a drum roll. Okay. Wow. Wow. The first color is so bright, it's insane. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. I've heard that StyleCraft Special DK comes in these fun little bags, so I'm excited to see that. And this is just my invoice. And yep, these look like all the colors I ordered, so we'll set that aside. And here we go. Look at that. So pretty. Yeah, it comes in this little bag. Isn't that cute? Okay, so first things first. Maryanna was one of, excuse me, I think Maryanna was the first person to give me a color. So I will show you the color that Maryanna chose. Oh, it's soft. StyleCraft Special DK. I've been waiting to try this yarn, no kidding, for about 2 years. I've been following Ophelia Talks channel for a couple years now, and she always uses this yarn. So I've been dying to try it. Fiesta is the super bright pink that Maryanna chose. So she, I think, was the first person to type in a color, and I think she did it within 5 minutes of my my video upload. So there it is. Had to wait for a car to go by. Sorry about that. All right, Constance chose Pale Rose. So it looks like, I'm guessing that this one is Pale Rose. Yes, it is Pale Rose. So very, very pretty color, Constance. Very feminine. Love that too. Let's see what else we've got here. Bless This House. Bless This House chose pomegranate. Is this pomegranate? Yes, this is pomegranate. So it's kind of neat. Look at, there's all those shades of pink. So we've got pomegranate, pale rose, and fiesta. Fiesta. Sounds like a party. Okay, so the other Julie M, I won't say her last name, but Julie M, she chose sherbet. So let's find sherbet here. Yeah, that's this bluish one. That's pretty. I can see why Julie likes it. Very nice. And after I go through all of the color choices, we'll go over to the craft table and I'll show you a closer look at the yarn. We'll kind of do a little review. Okay, I've got 2 colors left. One is Joy's, and Joy chose, excuse me, Lincoln. Lincoln is a green shade by StyleCraft, and unfortunately they were out of stock on the Lincoln. So the closest I could get was Cypress. It's pretty similar, I think. I've only seen the colors side by side online, but I think that they're pretty close. So this was Joy's choice. Joy's choice. Okay, well, close to Joy's choice. So this is Cypress. No. Yes, this is Cypress, but Joy chose Lincoln. They just didn't have it in stock. And the last one, there should have only been 5, but I forgot about the Facebook page. So I did actually have someone choose a color from the Facebook page, and there's no way I could say no because the person who chose the color was my mom. So had to get the color my mom chose, and she chose grape. So good choice, Mom. I like it. We'll have to make something fun with this. Okay, so that's all of the color choices, and now we're going to head over to the craft table and we'll take a closer look at the StyleCraft Special DK. All right, see you in a minute.
Okay, so let's take a closer look at the StyleCraft Special DK. I chose to look at this one because green's my favorite color. Just looking at the back of the label, this is machine washable, and you can dry it on cool in the cool setting. You can use a cool iron on it, and you may dry clean it. So it sounds like it's pretty easy care. Each ball is 100% acrylic. It has approximately 295 meters, which doesn't mean much to us here in the United States, unfortunately. But this number would, 322 yards. So that's quite a bit of yarn in that little ball. It's naturally anti-pilling, and it knits to all DK patterns. The recommended needle size for knitting is a US 6 or a 4 millimeter. And the recommended crochet hook size is a 4 millimeter or a G or a 6 US size.
So I'm so excited about my purchase of my StyleCraft Special DK, but what makes it extra special is that you all picked the colors. I think that was so much fun. So now let's go one step further, and I'll have you guys give me some suggestions for projects that I could make using just these colors. I have 1,800 yards of StyleCraft Special DK, so let's come up with project ideas of something I can make using just these colors. All right, yeah, leave me a comment below, and we'll let the fun continue. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Make sure my head's in frame. So, yeah. Gotta make sure I'm looking pretty. Can you hear me? I say, can you hear me?